Hello guys and welcome to the Crazy Coder. I am Neil Rahani at a service. Let's get started with this video. So guys, today as the name or the screen suggests, we're gonna be creating a harmless hack prank in Python, and I don't know about Mac users, but it would surely work for Windows. So link is in the description for Python download, by the way, because obviously you have to download Python. So Python is really necessary. So you have to download Python, and a package called Win10 Toast is pretty necessary. Okay, Win10 Toast. Okay, that's pretty necessary. So that actually doesn't matter. I'm gonna be telling you about how to download this Win10 package, and yep, let's get started. So over here guys, I have opened the command prompt. Inside command prompt, you have to simply write pip install win10 toast and press enter. The moment it will do so, it would download it. In my case, it's written requirement already satisfied because I've already downloaded it, but in your case, it wouldn't. Let's see the preview right now. So guys, you would think that we are doing it in Sublime Text, but actually we are not doing it in Sublime Text. Okay, we are actually not doing it in Sublime Text. We are doing it in PyCharm, but there is this one problem that in Sublime Text you get a pop-up notification, but in PyCharm you do not. So in then pop-up notifications are better because no one goes to the side and check them. And actually this is just for Windows and not for Mac. Now I got to know, because it's Win10 Toast, not Mac 10 or whatever toast. So according to me, it would just work for Windows user. So guys, let's go and hop inside the preview. I'm gonna be running it, and as you can see, we're getting a notification over here: hacked, your computer is hacked. Then hacked, deleting all your files. Hacked, pay 1,000 rupees to us. Hacked, card details, blah 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 blah. So this is what we're going to be creating, guys. Let's get started. So I hope you have downloaded the module, and let's go to file and click on new project to create a new project. Name your new project, and boom, you have this project. Now you have to create a new file. So let's create a new file. 1 second, I'm gonna be right clicking, then gonna be going to new and a Python file. So I'm gonna be writing alert.py. So that is just a name. Over here I'm gonna be writing import, and we wanna import that module that we just used, Win10 Toast, as you remember. And then we're gonna be creating a variable f, and that's gonna be toast notifier, like that. But it's not gonna work like that. So you have to write from Win10 Toast import toast notifier, and then it would work. Okay, so importing toast notifier from Win10 Toast is really important. If you wouldn't do it, then it wouldn't just work. Then you have to write f dot the name of your variable dot show toast. Then over here you have to write the heading. So I'm over here be writing alert and then a comma after the string, and then you want to write your body. I'm just gonna be giving a random name, digilord. So your computer is hacked by me, the digilord, or whatever. You can write anything, and it's giving me a spelling error, and I don't care about that because it's in a string, so it wouldn't just work. Now let's run it. So Control Shift F10 on Windows, and obviously Mac users will not be seeing it. And let's run it. So over here we're gonna be running it. Let's press the run, and over here alert, your computer is hacked by me, the digilord. Finally it's popping up. Okay, when I was creating the preview in PyCharm, it wasn't actually popping up, but finally it got scared that then my owner's YouTube channel would be gone. Then he has to go over here all over. So now it's fine, guys. Let's add more things. So let's show the toast. Oh, before that we have to add the duration, but actually it's nicely set right now. We just need the duration as this much, like it's over here. But after some time, here comes the message. See, because we haven't written anything over here, so that means when we do it, we have something notification over here, and then here comes the message, as you can see. So basically it's working. Let's write alert over here in no caps lock, and over here let's write alert. I am deleting, I am encrypting all your files with the .inc extension. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna be writing with the .inc extension. Let's run it and see what's happening. Alert, your computer is hacked by me, the DigiLord. Alert, I am encrypting all your files with the .inc extension. Cool. Now we can write f.showToast, and over here alert, pay me $1,000 to get step by step instructions on how to decrypt your files. You know what? I think that whenever some computer is hacked, then of a YouTuber, then he can get the step-to-step decryption, and then he can just copy it somewhere very quick and share it with YouTube, so that everybody else hacked by the same hacker can do it. But who cares? You have to pay. It's very difficult to do it. So yeah, we're not gonna be talking about hacking. It's a disaster because my father's laptop got hacked, okay, in 2018 or 2017. I don't remember that much. Right now it's 2020. So over here, simply let's write them. Yeah, why was I even telling you this? And .show toast. Ha 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 ha. Pay me using Google Pay. Email blah blah dot blah and blah dot blah. This is look good actually. Now how many letters there are? 8. So let's write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 over here, and 4. So 1 2 3 4 over here, and 4 again. 1 2 3 4. Oh, my bad. I just pasted some link of my Google Classroom, and then over here 1 2 3 4, and then this is the email. So let's run it and end this video. Alert, your computer is hacked by me, the DigiLord. Alert, I'm encrypting all your files with the .inc extension. Pay me $100 to get step-by-step instructions on how to decrypt them. Ha 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 ha. Pay me using Google Pay. Email is equals to blah blah blah. Yep. So this is it. I hope you like this video, and I will see you next time. And I'm really hoping to get more replies in the text adventure game, and Bye. And I'll see you in the next video where we create a number guessing game or something else, cause I have an idea of recreating everything that we did in code.org in Python. We did it in JavaScript and it's a good practice to do it in all the coding languages we start, and now I'm gonna actually stick in Python. So bye and meet you in the next video, the part 10 of this amazing C